Hey y'all, welcome back. It is December 24th. It is 11:20 at night. Just took my shower. We got done baking and making things for tomorrow to prep for Christmas, but I promised you guys a winner for Maydear. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my words here for a minute. Remember how I'm always saying in my videos, I could be wrong? It's happened before. This is one of those times where I have to apologize to each and every single one of you because I made a massive mistake. In contact with Gia at Maydear, she kindly let me know. Unfortunately, her store is not worldwide right now. So here's how I'm going to fix it because it's my mistake. It's not hers. So here's how I'm going to fix it. I'm going to do take 2. So please, please, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. I got so excited about doing the whole giveaway thing and I misread the words. She said store-wide, and I read that as worldwide now that I went back and retracked and reread all the emails. So it was my goof. But here's how I'm going to try to fix it. And I hope that this is okay for everyone and that we're okay with it. All I want you to do in your comment below to be entered is type in USA or international. And here's the reason why. So when did we say we were going to do this? I think the hubby and I decided January 2nd. So it'll also give people a little more time to clue in to the mistake, the big mistake that I made. So what we're going to do is on January 2nd, it'll probably be my first video of the year now that I'm thinking about it, which is totally awesome. I'm going to pull 2 winners. I'm going to pull one winner who has the word USA and contact them and send them all of G's information so that way she can be in contact with them and you guys can work out whatever project you're going to work on. The international, however, I'm going to send a $20 gift card to wherever. You tell me what store. If you want me just to PayPal it, I can do that, friends, family. Or an Amazon gift card, because I know, she has her own website, but she also works through Amazon as well. So there's 2 options to contact her shop and ways to shop from her shop. Oh, that's a lot of words in that sentence. So I'm going to make it right by doing a $20 gift card for my international peeps because I feel bad that my international peeps cannot shop from Maydear at this moment. But hopefully, fingers crossed, maybe there's been enough interest shown that maybe someday she could do international. That would be fantastic for her and her shop to be able to go worldwide. So again, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, peeps. But I'm hoping that this is an okay fix. And this way we have 2 winners instead of 1. So USA, you'll be entered in for Maydear. International only, I will send you a gift card. You want to Heaven and Earth designs, I can rack that for you. If you're looking for a specific thing on Etsy, whatever it may be, $20, I will send that to you. You and I will chat, whoever the winner may be. I'm going to pull that on January 2nd, 2 winners. And I hope you all have a fantastic holiday tomorrow if you celebrate. And if you don't, I hope you have a fantastic day. We are planning on getting up and making hot cocoa. Coffee for me, please. And unwrapping presents, and then Zooming with the family at noon, I think. And then it's off to cooking and all the things. So I do have planned, I know this isn't part of the giveaway, that's why I'm doing it at the very end. It's only 4 minutes long, thank goodness. I was trying to make this short, sweet, and quick. So hubby can go ahead and upload it, edit, bam, done. Because I'm a goofball and I made a mistake. I do have plans for the whip parade at the end of the year. I'm closing in on a finish. So I'm really itching to finish that before my whip parade. And I have, I think, 2 more videos that I'd like to put up for the what's to come. So everything that's on my tablet through Pattern Keeper is going to be, I think, 1 video. And everything else, madness-wise, last video. Might have to be 4 in total. We'll see how this goes. Anyways, from my family to yours, we hope you have a wonderful holiday season. If I don't speak to you before the new year, well, I will, but not like life stuff. It's going to be what's all the madness of what's happening for next year, because there's a lot of madness. I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay safe. Please stay safe. Stay healthy. I have a few people from my YouTube world that you're definitely in my hearts, and I'm thinking of you a lot right now. And I think that's it. I've blabbed on long enough. I'm so sorry, y'all. I goofed. That's what happens when you read too fast. All right, I'm gonna go. Love y'all. Bye.